100% polyester. Patent pending construction, 4 doors and 2 windows design for easier access. No metal frame and no ripped. Pop-up flexible ribs frame make it easiest assembly and lightest sleeping tent on the market. Used with your existing mattress, need no attached to bed frame, or even used by itself as a privacy tent with floor anywhere. Please note mattress does not include multiple uses. The tent measures 75 inches by 39 inches x 47 h, which is fit for twin beds. This bed curtain serves as a play tent during the day and a privacy sleeping space for you or your child in the daytime, to reducing light, or at night to provide a warm, safe space. Our pop-up tent is great for college dorm rooms, kids' rooms, and for occupations that need to sleep during the day. Quick and easy setup. Pop-up frame and shock-corded poles make it super easy to set up in a minute. Fold down instant and figure 8 into compact portable carrying bag. Size 21 by 21 by 2.5 inches and weight 5.8 pounds. The privacy curtain is washable, clean, and easy to store. When laundry, just unzip the end of arc pole sleeves and pull out the pole. After laundry, insert the poles and zip the pole sleeve. Innovative design. The Dream Tent was created with high-quality pongee fabric which is breathable and soft. The pitch black color makes most of light reduced and enough space to allow you to rest peacefully. 4 zipped doors on 4 sides allow to open it completely for light or airflow. Complete privacy. The material and size of the LEEDOR privacy tent allow enough space and light depth for you to be in control of your privacy and comfort. Create a private space anywhere. Turn your bed into seclusion with reducing light. This sleep space provides you better sleep during nap time, bedtime, playtime, and alone time. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for autistic kiddos. I was looking for a tent-type product to get us by until the Cubby special needs bed came for my daughter, who has severe special needs issues, autism, severe, and intellectual disorder, and has major sleep issues, but also shares a room with her near Irish twin sister. This tent almost makes me reconsider the Cubby bed. It's amazing. She absolutely loves it. Her sister thinks it's a lifesaver. My daughter actually sleeps all night. Well, actually they both do. We all do. It's amazing. What a win. Before this tent, the 3 of us were up literally every 1.5 to 2 hours because my autistic daughter couldn't sleep due to a variety of issues, whether it was wandering, sleeplessness, etc. But this has helped her stay in bed, actually enjoy her crib, converting to a toddler bed, and sleep all night. It's the best $100 spent. I'm telling you. Moms of autistic toddlers. Buy this thing. I put pictures of their room. They have a big bedroom and both cribs fit in there with the tent and enough area to play. I got the twin size. She has a Delta Children's convertible crib that does not have any elevated part on the back. It's even all the way around. Her sister's has the elevated back part and wouldn't fit. Just keep that in mind if you're trying to fit the crib in the tent. All in all, it is amazing. Super soft fabric. Very well made. Excellent. A total lifesaver. I'm so thankful.